Okay, so now that we've seen what occurs inside the cell at the ribosome for protein synthesis, we're actually going to practice translating the messenger RNA into the amino acids. To do that, we have to use a codon chart. So this slide here, it tells you to view the slide in present mode by clicking the button in the top right corner or using the keyboard shortcut Control-Enter. Click through the animations to see how codon charts work and then return to editing mode for the other questions. So let's begin. I'm going to get rid of that. And here, this is what a typical codon chart looks like. And you can see it's got the list of the first base, because the codons come in 3 letters, sets of 3. So the first base, we look for the letter over on the left side. The second base, we're looking for that letter up here at the top. And then the third base, we're looking for that letter all the way over to the right. And within these boxes, you can see all of these different amino acid names. So I'm going to show you how this chart codes for each of these amino acids. We're going to look at the example of messenger RNA codon AUG, and we have to figure out which amino acid this codes for. There's only a particular one that it codes for. So A is the first base, and like I said, we have to go all the way over to the right side for that first base. So we know we're looking all within one of these. Here is what our amino acid is going to fall into. But then we have to go and look at U, which is the second base. And we go to the top to find the U, the second base, which is right up here. So now we're looking to see where these boxes overlap. And so far we're in this box right here. That's where they're overlapping right now. But now we need the third base to kind of triangulate which one this is. So G is the third base. Remember, we have to go all the way over to the left, and our third base is right here, this G. And so if we follow that over to see where all 3 of them overlap, here we have methionine. So can you see that? Where they overlap, the amino acid is called methionine. So now we're going to practice that.